Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to customize ClickUp's workspace settings for your teams, a vital skill for project management in 2025. The first step is to log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the workspace you want to customize. This step is essential because your workspace is where all your projects, tasks, and team interactions take place. Now that we've done that, click on the Settings button, usually found in the lower left corner of your screen. The reason we do this is to access the customization options for your workspace. In the Settings menu, you'll find various options such as Workspace Color, Workspace Avatar, Workspace Name, and Workspace Bio. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you change these settings. You're essentially personalizing the look and feel of your workspace to make it more appealing and user-friendly for your team members. Next up, let's set the workspace color. This helps us because different colors can evoke different moods and reactions, influencing your team's productivity and job satisfaction. Simply click on the color palette, pick a color that suits your team's vibe, and save your changes. Moving on, you can customize the workspace avatar and workspace name. This step is crucial to make your workspace easily identifiable, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Just click on the Edit button, choose an image or a name, and don't forget to hit Save. Finally, conclude with the Workspace Bio. This is where you can add a little personality or context about your team or project. A neat trick is to keep it concise but engaging. So there you have it. You've successfully customized ClickUp's workspace settings for your team. Remember, a well-organized and personalized workspace can significantly enhance your team's productivity and overall job satisfaction. Keep experimenting until you find what works best for your team. Thank you for tuning in today, and stay organized, my friends. Until the next time.